Okay. Come on, Thomas, you're the action boy. Come on. Yeah, keep it. Here. Take my picture. Okay, so today we are going to be exploring photography with my son Thomas. He recently got a camera from Studio Argentique from Pierre, a Coca-Cola plastic camera. Can you show it?
Yep.
Let's see.
So this is closed.
Yeah, show us the
Ready?
camera. Show us the camera.
If you open it,
Wait, stay there. Okay, let's see. So when it's open.
once it open, well, you have to switch. You have to wait until the light is on
You gotta
for you to
speak louder because it's very windy.
Yeah, so like to turn on the flash, you need to wait for the light to come.
Okay.
Just to take the flash.
And so far, how many pictures have you taken?
12.
12 pictures. Okay. And can you show us the other camera that that Theo Steve gave you? So we have a digital camera too.
This is digital.
Digital. Show us the camera. Oh, look at that. What's the name of the camera?
It's a PowerShot SX610 HS.
Oh, take a picture. Nice. Thomas, what kind of pictures are you going to take? So the trick is like this, okay, Thomas? When you see something you like, take the picture. If you think it's not good, you don't take it. But the best advice I can give you is don't hesitate, don't be afraid, don't do this. Don't do this. Like don't pretend like you're shy, because if you show the people that you're shy, you're gonna look very sus, you know? We don't want that. Be confident, okay? Sois confiant, okay? Yeah, I know. Okay, vas-y.
Oh, it's so satisfying.
Yeah. Wait, say it again. What did you say?
So satisfying.
Oh. What film is that?
14.
14? Okay. You missed it? Ah, come on, Thomas. What happened? Did you shoot? Did you shoot?
No, I forgot.
You didn't shoot? Take this picture. Mira aquí, ve. Ahí, ve. Dale. Yeah. Así. You got it? That was fast. Okay. Remember to stop and don't move when you take the picture, okay? Ah non, ça va, ça va, ça va, ça va, c'est bon. Thomas, get closer, okay? Rapproche-toi plus. Closer, closer, closer. There you go. C'est bon, Thomas. Come on, Thomas, find something. You can do it. Vas-y. Avance plus. Okay, closer. Okay, vas-y, shoot. Nice.
Qu'est-ce qu'on vient de voir là? Qu'est-ce qu'on vient de voir là?
See, maybe not. Thomas, this was the best day so far. Got to shoot some film, some digital, and spending time together, father and son. So what's next? You gonna buy yourself a Leica?
Maybe.
Got money for that?
No, but I do have money.
Oh, I need your money for film. Can I have your money?
Yep.
I'm gonna take his money and buy myself some film. That was cool though.